So what is the main, when people talk about the seasoning, even a lot of chefs that I know, main spice they use, what is it? The most common spice. No, the most common spice. I guess we don't use that much, but what? Black pepper. Black pepper and salt. This is what most restaurants, this is what they use the most. Black pepper and salt. This is, I've been to many restaurants, I work many places, and this is like the most things. It doesn't taste well, let's put more black pepper, let's more. They're not thinking about all the spices, besides the Indian cuisine and Asians, yeah. How long a spice could be keep? How long does a spice can stay? And let's say you buy some spices, and how many of you have spices more than 1 year? Is it ground spice or is it whole spice? Whole is fine. How long the whole spice can stay? How long whole spice can stay? We talk whole, like let's say fennel seed is on ground, it's whole, okay? Cumin, the coriander, the same thing. Okay, how long do you think? 4 to 5 years, okay? Whole spice can stay 4 to 5 years, but ground spice, how long?
6 months.
3 to 6 months. So if you do have spice, ground spice, more than a year, you know it can be used for compost. Okay? Something like this. Because the flavor, the oil from the spice is gone. Okay? And it's not, but that's why I will show you a way to use the whole spice, and then what you can use, you can grind it, and then it can stay longer. Okay? Go ahead.
What about herbs like dried basil?
Okay, she mentioned herbs. What about herbs like dry basil? Dry basil lasts for a long time, it's fine. Dry basil can be used for many dishes also, so it's not a problem because it's dry, so the flavor is concentrated, so it will not get bad. So I will ask this question though: what is the difference between fresh herbs and dry herbs? What would you like to use? There is a place for dry herb for sure, but if you do have to use fresh herb or dry herb, what would you like to use? The same thing with spices. If you can use ground spice or whole spice, which one would you rather use? Whole spice, because all the oil is there and all the content is there, so therefore the flavor will be better, okay? We're going to go tasting time. So I will need my volunteers there, and they're going to give you the first one. I will not tell you, you have to guess. And before we start this, I want to define the flavor of a spice. Many times people say, oh, it's too spicy. And often I say, what do you mean it's too spicy? Is it too hot or is it too much spice? What do you mean? That doesn't mean nothing for me, it's too spicy. A spice can be defined by, it can be pungent. Okay, I want you to write it down because what we're going to do, when you try the spice, I want you to tell me if the spice is pungent or sweet or tangy. You say tangy? Tangy? Okay, or is hot, or is a blend of different spices. They call it an amalgamation, a blend of different spices, okay? Sweet, tangy, hot, pungent, or an amalgamation, okay? You guys got this? Okay, I will see if you are a good student. Now, I will not give you the name of the spice. You have to guess it for me. And then we will determine whether or not, where can we use this spice, okay? And at the end of the class, if you're still there, I will going to show you the secret to release the oil from your spice. So in the meantime, I will ask you these questions. What are the elements that will deteriorate your spice, that will make it worse? What are the things that you do not want for your spice to be exposed to?
Water.
Air? What? Moisture? Light? Any other things? What? Oh, if you have more, you should leave the whole place. More, yes. Okay. Heat? Yes. Okay. Heat, direct light, air, and moisture. Okay? Those things. Every time you store a spice, it's best to store it in your cabinet away from the heat. Many times, some people put their spice above the stove or close to it, it's best to put it away from the heat, okay? And it will last longer. Okay, anybody taste this spice? And every spice that you use also is great also for your health. Every time you put a spice, you have something else. Like example, this one that you're tasting now, it helps to control your blood sugar. It is an anti-inflammatory and also lower your cholesterol. Okay. What is it? So, I heard Fennel, is it? No? Cumin. Okay, cumin is the spice. Okay, cumin is, which country use the most cumin? India, and what else? Where else? Mexico? And also North Africa use also. Where do you think, where usually you see cumin is being used? Curry? Beans, yes. Any other place? Yourself, what do you, I like to use it in cabbage. Have you tried to use cumin with cabbage? With carrots? Chili, yes. Very well. Okay, and also cumin is well combined with coriander, cardamom, anise, ginger. You can combine. Every time you see cumin, think of coriander. Coriander and cumin go so well together. Wherever you put cumin, put some coriander with it. Equal proportion is fine. Okay. Okay. Is it sweet? Is it pungent? What is it? Pungent. Yes. And how many of you used cumin before? All of you, yeah, this is a common spice. Now we're going to get to the most difficult spices. Let me see how many of you use this. Okay. Okay, anybody, okay, tell me, this is one spice. The Lord put it that way, you can have it also as herbs. Coriander. Coriander can be also called cilantro. Is there any other spice that have two spices? There is one spice, those have two spices. Do you know which one? This spice have two spices, if I can say it like this, two spices. Do you know which one? Nutmeg. Nutmeg, on top of it, I usually bring it with me, but I left it at my place. On top is like called mace. Mace is and nutmeg. There is two spices. Mace is more subtle in flavor, and the nutmeg is more pungent. Okay, but both are awesome flavor. The French use the mace a lot for their sauce. Okay. Okay. This spice, is it sweet, pungent, tangy? What is it? Your question? What flavor is this spice? What? It's subtle. Yes. What? It's refreshing. That's awesome. Because you see, it's whole. If I give you the ground one, you just, yes. So it's warm, it's sweet, I would say, like a sweet, mellow flavor. Okay? So that's it. Where do you use this spice? Have you used it for something? It's a good substitute for cinnamon. Yes, cookies? Adventist cinnamon rolls, yes. So the cinnamon rolls, we use two spices. Okay, the cardamom and coriander make the perfect cinnamon. Okay, cardamom and coriander. You can do equal proportions if you like cardamom a lot, or you can lessen the cardamom and put more coriander. But it's great, yes.
Would you put coriander in oatmeal?
Coriander in oatmeal is great. Yes, I will put coriander in oatmeal. Any other place? The same thing. Cumin and coriander goes well together. Wherever you say cumin, you can put coriander. Beside the oatmeal, you can put coriander.
Indian dishes.
What's that?
Indian dishes.
Indian dishes, yes. And coriander also goes well with curry dishes, like you mentioned. Also apples and pears. In Sweden, they use this, and plums and cookies and pies. And you can combine it well with cinnamon, not cinnamon, fennel and garlic and ginger, okay? Fennel, garlic and ginger and nutmeg, okay? Yes. Okay, let's go to the other one. This is one of my favorite. Okay? Okay, this one. Cumin, okay, beans, other bean, cabbage. Are you spices that with the spices or?
Yeah, other spices.
Okay, so you put ginger with the cumin, I can go back for you. Okay, so what goes well with cumin is allspice, cardamom, anise, chili powder, coriander, curry leaf, and I will show you curry. I don't have curry leaf today, but anybody saw curry leaf before? Curry leaf? Yeah, curry leaf have a awesome flavor, pungent, a little sweet, I would say, when you do also Asian dishes, and also paprika and turmeric. Paprika also goes well with cumin, okay? Okay, what is it? Some say dill? No? Anise? No?
Fennel.
Fennel? Yes. Fennel, I don't know. Right now, I love to use fennel for almost everything. I'm in love with fennel. Besides, my wife, anyway. Fennel is an awesome spice. So, have you ever used fennel? How many used fennel before? Yes. Quite a few of you. What did you use it for?
I did a fennel and orange soup.
Yes. That was good, huh? Fennel orange soup. Orange, you say orange? Yeah. Really?
Orange juice.
Orange juice and fennel.
And fennel and, the actual fennel, the whole bulb of fennel.
Okay.
With orange juice.
Okay. That makes sense. I thought the fennel seed you use with the orange. Okay. Yeah, fennel. We use, in France, we use a lot of fennel bulb, the fennel bulb. Any other place you use fennel?
Vegetarian meatballs. It makes it taste like
Yes.
sausage.
Yes. Vegetarian meatball. That's awesome place to put it. Yes. Potato salad with fennel. Yes. And your soup, fennel. What flavor? Before I keep going, what kind of flavor it is? Sweet. You have a licorice kind of. When you go to Indian restaurant, have you seen the fennel candies they give you to refresh your mouth? Everything. It's a cleansing palette cleanser, and it's really, really nice. It's refreshing. Any question? You have a question?
Sometimes I chew it when I run.
Yes. Yes. It keeps you going?
Yeah, I think it's a vasodilator a little bit.
Yeah. Okay. Revitalize you. Yes. Okay. Also, which country use the most fennel? Italy, France, Germany, China, and it's in the masala for in India also. Masala. What do you say? Okay. China, Germany, and to use it for fennel is used also. It goes well. Before I go, it goes well with cumin, fenugreek, and we're going to talk about fenugreek after. We're going well with lemongrass, mint, and thyme. Okay, fennel because it's what sweet. Anything that is sweet, it goes well with. Fennel is used well with sauerkraut, with also cabbage, lentils, leeks, and potatoes, like you mentioned, anything like this. But when I do butternut squash, have you tried butternut squash soup? Mm-hmm. You put some fennel in this, and life is awesome. It's better. And carrots also. You put sweet potatoes with fennel, a sweet potato soup, a bisque. Anybody know about sweet potato bisque? You never tried sweet potato bisque? What? Okay, you will try this one out. Okay, I'll give you a quick recipe. Sweet potato bisque. You can take some tomato sauce, like a V8 juice, and you put some sweet potatoes and coconut milk. And you cook all those things, and you add your fennel, and you put some cardamom, and you have the perfect bisque. And of course, you have to blend it. A bisque is creamy. That's why you put the coconut milk instead of heavy cream. And so you have awesome. How many of you try this? Try it. Look for it. Okay, sweet potato bisque soup. I create this one. You will not find it this way, but it's really great. Okay. Okay, fennel is good also for bad breath. Yes, for regular blood pressure, and also for skin. If you want beautiful skin, you can add some fennel also. How many of you like beautiful skin? So let's put some fennel more in your food. Okay, let's go to the next one. This is a spice that's extraordinaire. You see, I come from the Caribbean, Martinique. Anybody heard about Martinique before? Okay, so Central America is close to it's the French Antilles. It's Guadeloupe, Barbados, Martinique, St. Lucia. So we have a lot of Indian influence also. So we use a lot of the spices. But I studied culinary school in the south of France, so I bring the subtlety with it. So the French people is like herbs, mostly herbs. They love herbs.